Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out these oven mitts, and these ones right here are from HexClad. I'm a huge HexClad fan, so I decided to pick up their silicone oven mitts. Now these are rated for up to 500 degrees, which honestly you're probably not going to be handling anything over 500 degrees. Now I like the way that these fit too. I do have like some other oven mitts. Let me get my hand in there, see if I can do that with just one hand while I'm holding this camera. And I really like the way these fit. They feel really, really nice inside there. Let me show you. I've got these other oven mitts, and I mean, these are okay, but they don't quite let me fit in there just as nice and easily. These ones actually were okay, but I really like the way that these fit, these ones here from HexClad. So look at that. Fit really nice. Got enough room in there for my larger hands and still snug up here at the top. But the wrist gives me that room. Has some nice HexClad branding on there too. As you see, I love HexClad. Got me a frying pan heating up right here, getting ready to cook up some stir fry. So if you're looking for a nice set of oven mitts, go ahead and check out these ones here from HexClad.